When Medivisor came into the picture, they made things so much easier. They made consultation, awareness, itineraries, and also guidance right from Fiji. Hello everyone, my name is Ryan and this is my dear wife Andy. We are Mr. and Mrs. Otar. We have the privilege to talk about our experience here in terms of medical treatment in India. In September 2024, my wife started to experience pain on the side of her stomach. We went to a local GP in Fiji, and the diagnosis was that it was pain from gastric issue that she had. My wife was not settled with the diagnosis given and asked for a second opinion. And in that second opinion, it resulted in her having her scan in the area that had the pain. The results from the scan were a bit concerning for both of us. What was found was a cyst that was growing on her liver. The size of the cyst was of a small soccer football. That's why it was concerning. We also consulted with a local specialist in the city, in Suva, and he had mentioned that Fiji does not have enough specialists to form a team to actually conduct the surgery. And we were referred to India. As you may know, for us in Fiji, we would have very little or no contacts in India. We reached out to BSP, Life Insurance, whom we are very grateful for. And they had contacted our medical liaison agency, which we had no idea existed, called Medivisor. When Medivisor came into the picture, they made things so much easier. They made consultation, awareness, itineraries, and also guidance right from Fiji very easy. We are thankful to Medivisor for really receiving us in India when we flew out on the 6th of November 2024 and we arrived in India. We were overwhelmed by the hospitality from the Medivisor team. They would literally not leave you alone. They would make sure that everything is taken care of. Right from transportation from the airport, our accommodation, our hotel, from the hotel to our hospital, every check, every test that we had that needed transport, they were there. They were there as literally right by our side for tests that we had. And the structure of Medivisor is whenever you enter into India, there is a case manager that is assigned to you. We are thankful to Miss Priyanka, who was our case manager in India. We also had our transportation arranged by Mr. Rohit. We got to meet the rest of the team, made up of course, Mr. Sushant, Deepak, and the rest of the ladies who assisted us in making sure that our stay and our treatment in India was well looked after. The reason why we want to share our story is that we want to let anyone that will watch this video, when it comes to treatment in India, you are not alone. There is a team called Medivisor that will greatly and sincerely assist you. On behalf of my wife and I, we are so grateful to Sushant, Ranveer, the leadership team, the operations team, administration team. You guys are just awesome. Thank you so much for helping us. We are very grateful. From Fiji, Vinaka.
I would sincerely like to really appreciate Priyanka. I came in with a lot of questions and I didn't know what was going to happen, but she was so encouraging. She saw us through everything and kept assuring us that all will be well and always asking us if we were okay. And our utmost appreciation. My husband and I, we are so grateful that they're able to accommodate us in every way, to every test, in the hospital, to our rooms, and just any traveling concerned with medical care. And I would really like to thank you. Thank you, Priyanka. It is our prayer that you will continue to assist others the way you do, and that God would bless you greatly. Thank you.